Hi everyone, I'm Autumn Flame, and today we're going to be reviewing over the next Mass Effect official teaser trailer. We're going to have a look at what is in the trailer, hints and nods to what the future of the series may be, whether that pertains just to the Milky Way or Andromeda, and any speculations about what we think may or may not happen, Easter eggs, that sort of thing. So sit back, let's watch the original trailer first and then discuss it afterwards.
We know now that in the early years of the 20th century, this world was being watched.
Roger, copy. Eagle, Houston, you're a go for landing, over.
Arcturus Station. Unknown vessel approaching. We need first contact protocol.
Humanity now stands as partners in the galaxy.
Mach 6 is away.
Godspeed.
Is anyone receiving this? We've lost contact. Do not repeat across space.
Okay, and we started off here. Let's have a bit of a discuss over a few things. We notice we've got the Andromeda galaxy over here and our Milky Way down here, signifying either just acknowledgement of the Andromeda initiative or that there may be a link between the two galaxies at a future date. We progress through these parts, we end up with details of the first progression of space travel. We have first contact progressing in, we have a destroyed relay and Reaper sounds, and we continue on to our planet. Having 3 moons is definitely Alchira, the planet where we fought the collectors in Mass Effect 2 and a ship was destroyed and Shepard's body was remaining down on the planet until it got resurrected. So this is definitely an achievable. We know where this is. I don't think this is a finding Shepard alive at the end of Mass Effect 3 cutscene. We come in here. Just jump back a quick second. Here we see various parts around. We've got looks like a part of the galaxy map from the Normandy. We have various piping, shards of looks like metal, and piping tubing bits here, which is probably the SR1's shell. I don't know if this will be set during post-game of Mass Effect 3 or even potentially during the early part of Mass Effect between 1 and 2 when the Arrow retrieves Shepard's body, if this is this actual point of the game or not. Just looking back here, we see what looks like a giant Reaper in the background, so I'm definitely going to have to say if that is a Reaper shell corpse in the background, that is definitely going to, or parts of the Normandy, this is definitely going to be post probably Mass Effect 3. Then coming in, we see Shepard's base here. Which I'm not completely sure if this is actual Shepard's armor or if it's a piece of, say, a spare armor that Shepard kept on board the Normandy and Liara's collecting this for a keepsake. We had some characters here. Looks like a Solarian, a Krogan, and we're unsure what this one is. It's either human or something else. There is a potential that this is during when they go to find Shepard's body. Outside of that, this will definitely be post-game. Signifies here with, let's get back a second, Liara. People have theorized with the freckling is getting more pronounced that might say that she's entering the maiden or even matriarch stage. I don't really think that at this point. I think it's just an increase in the graphical quality and high-res textures, such as the Mass Effect 2 Cinematic Universe trailer. Had very nice graphics. I think she's still around the same age, and I severely doubt we'll see a drastic age increase unless it's about 600 years, pushing it to the 700 mark in order to link a dual Mass Effect Milky Way and Andromeda series. But I'm not 100% sure if they're going to go that way yet. But that'll be something I'll talk about in another video, if that should be done in a Mass Effect 5, or say counting Andromeda as 4, or whether or not it should wait off for a few more games. And this purpling in the background, it looks like a galaxy. I don't know, not a galaxy, nebula. I don't know if the movement in here is going to be indicative of anything severe within the universe, or if it's just fluff to make it look fancy. But we'll find that out at a later point. Definitely this should be set after Mass Effect 3, since there's no signifiers of Liara having any of the techno lines that you saw at the end of Mass Effect 3 during the synthesis ending. We can rule out synthesis, and I'm going to rule out control as well, as just having the Reapers under Shepard's control to beat any threat would be very boring, and if something can come along and just wipe out Shepard and the Reapers and continue from there in order to canonize the ending a bit, I don't think that people would really be appreciative of that. So definitely a high EMS destroy is coming in here. Hopefully there'll be some path where you can actually keep the Geth alive. Would be something nice, at least from a fan perspective. So that's my analysis of this trailer for the moment. I will release a video soon of my thoughts where a continuation of a Milky Way video should go, and continuation of Andromeda series, and if at any point they should breach a gap between them and do a dual series. Thanks for watching, and tune in next time.